Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to recover delayed message on Messenger. Okay, let's go. Open your Messenger. I will recover this delayed message. Okay, follow my next step and tap on menu button. Click on settings. Scroll down, tap on personal details. Click your information and permission. Click download your information. Tap now download or transfer information. Select your account and click next. Now click specific type of information. Now select message and next. Click on download to device. Now select your date. Click on save button. Wait for 2 days and hopefully you will get the solution. Thanks for watching.